Alright, bam. This is a quick little update on this week. 1349 on the week. 1,000 on today.
My haters like my stomach feel sick. They like, oh my god, when will he quit? He been chasing paper, one day he'll be real rich. They like, oh my god, he still lit. He play for the Raiders, way in the field, bitch.
Alright, what's up everybody? How's it going? So I took a trade this morning. I ended up banking 1,500. I took 3 trades. Took one $500 loss, one $1,200 win, and then one $300 win. I'll go ahead and do a trade recap later on today. But as you guys can see, right here at the lake real quick. Took the jet ski out. I'll go ahead and see if I get a clip on the jet ski. I don't want to take this camera out on there, so I might do it on my Ray-Bans. So I'll go ahead and see you guys in the next clip. Well, alright, so I'm on the jet ski right now. I guess this is how life really is when you make 1,000 in a day and you just go live life. Damn, bro, it's going fast. But keep you guys up right now in a little bit. Get some more clips of me fucking riding this shit. So I'll see y'all. Yeah, so look, we gotta respect the 5 mile/hour zone right here, going 3. Once we get out of this zone, I'm gonna show you babies how this bad boy pick up. Let me see if these bitches are recording. Yep, they're recording, so let's go ahead. Oh. Hold on, I gotta tie my hat. Alright. Hopefully my hat's not in the way. I'm gonna pick this shit up, baby. Oh, I lost my hat. Fuck. Fuck it. Go, baby. Bam, 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 bam. Alright, what's up everybody? How's it going? So I'm gonna do this little trade recap. It is the next day. I'm gonna mash up all the clips from Friday till Sunday in just one video, just so it's more content and more, just a better video for you guys. I'm starting to realize I gotta get better on my my watch time and all that. So I'll go ahead and go over these trades real quick. Like, I want to put quality content out for you guys. I don't want to just sit here and just put random shit done. I want to put shit that's like trading bound and like not exciting but entertaining for you guys as well. But let's go ahead and go over this trade I took right on Friday. So I ended up taking 3 trades on Friday. So let's go ahead and go over the first one. First of all, I broke my rules on the first trade, right? I did not wait till 6:50 for the trade. I took it on ES. So first of all, let's go ahead and look. We go ahead and look. Overall, we were bullish, right? Because we broke 4-hour structure to the upside. We got an up and a down candle. So we ended up breaking structure off of this candlestick right here. So that gave me the bias of bullish, right? I wanted to take longs, targeting these highs up here. But as we can see, we did not hit those highs. So we're going to the 5 minute. I marked out a 1 minute SMT. I entered off of, I think it was a 1 minute fair value gap. Or a 1 minute break of structure. So we ended up sweeping this, I think it was this 15 minute liquidity level. Bam. No, it wasn't that. It was a 5 minute liquidity level. Yeah, so we ended up sweeping this. We get reaction off of it. I ended up taking longs. I ended up losing $500 on this trade. It was a 1 minute SMT, my bad, guys. So bam, I ended up taking a long. We ended up getting stopped out. Overall, what I should have done better on this trade was not trade this, right? Because it was not 650 yet. But after this trade, I ended up looking at NASDAQ and we ended up sweeping these highs, right? So I'm going back to the 5 minute strat. So 5 minute, bam, we end up breaking structure off of right here. 5 minute fair value gap. Scale down into the 1 minute chart. Entered off of that break of structure. And bam, look at this fucking trade. Okay, so this trade, I ended up closing this trade early too, which I regret doing. Because as we can see, this shit hit all. It was a 1 to 4. I was risking 500. It was a 2-band trade. So I was going to show you guys on. Oh fuck, I gotta. My bad. I'm coming back right now, guys. Bam. So we have this. Bam. So let's go to the actual entry points that I got in at. Bam. So I end up getting in up here, stops above these highs. No drawdown on this short, bro. I end up closing a little bit up here. And as we can see, it hits all of this. And this was my second trade that I took. Right? These levels were not. It was a 5 minute. Bam. So I end up entering off of. Let's see. Is it okay? We tap into this 5 minute fair value gap. Entered off. I think it was a break of structure. So this is too soon. Bam, right here. All I was looking for was a 1 to 3. It was around 8:30. This is around 10. No, I got into this trade later then. So I ended up getting that around here. Thinking we're gonna go lower. Overall, these were good trades for me, right? So let's go ahead and go back to right here. Bam. So 5 minute sweep of liquidity. Right, we get the 5 minute break of structure. Textbook trade, bro. It's literally what I was trading all before this price action started getting all fucked up, right? Bam, 5 minute break of structure off of these lows. 5 minute fair value gap. 1 minute entry. 1 minute break of structure. Bam, this fucking trade would have rode. And then the second trade was around over here. Let's see. I think it was off of, no, we didn't feel that. You know what? It was right here. Let's call him back right now. So the second trade that I had took was right here. Then we get this 1 minute retrace. I wonder why it was over there on Top Step. But I remember it's because I closed early on this trade. This was the area I was looking for. We got this retracement up. Textbook trades. What I could have done better on Friday, though, was not trade after this first trade. I should have just took it. But I ain't going to lie to you guys, I got greedy. I wanted a $1,000 win, which I ended up getting. If we go back, I wanted a $1,000 day. As we can see right here, we ended up getting it. But I should have been fine with, I think it was like 700. But overall, good trading day. As you guys can see, it was a good day that day too. Hit the lake. But I'll go ahead and see you guys in the next clip. So I'll see ya. Alright, what's up everybody? How's it going? So I'm back. So that's gonna conclude this weekend. I got a little clips of it, the exciting shit that I did this weekend. I don't really want to put the boring shit in there. Again, like I said, this is supposed to be like a journey of me documenting myself of becoming a day trader, right? But also too, I want it to be entertaining. I want it to be something else for you guys, rather than just trades all the time. But so currently, right now, I am playing news. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I did take a loss earlier. Just going to show you guys. So I'm down 300 right now. I'm in this trade, right? So as you can see, if you guys are traders, you guys are keeping up with the trade news, right? U.S. bombed Iran. Everybody thought it was going to be bearish. As we can see, we're getting bullish bias from it. So I'm longing this shit, waiting to see what tomorrow will bring for us. The market this week is going to be real volatile, so I'm thinking I'm going to just go for a quick 1 to 3s, risking $100 per trade instead of risking the fucking average $400 I was risking just because of how volatile these markets are going to be. Fuck, excuse me. So starting tomorrow, $100 a day is all I'm risking. Looking for, again, like I said, 1 to 3 risk to reward ratios. But thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.